Good afternoon. It's a little bit past 12, and I got 68 degrees on the motorcycle. Supposed to be another day in the 70s, but today is a little...
October 24th.
Yeah, it's October 24th. You're right, dear. But today is supposed to be a little cloudy or partly sunny. However they...
It's still warm.
Yes.
74, they're saying?
Yep. And we're going to try going to maybe check out the overlook in East Brady and see what happens there. So it's going to be a beautiful day. I'll try not to bore you with too much foliage.
That was a maniacal laugh right there.
Okay.
That means tough.
So make sure you stay tuned, subscribe so you don't miss any. And like it, comments. We're open for anything. Suggestions. I just wanted to take this picture. We're on Allin Trail and it's a beautiful view. It is nice. It's still a beautiful foliage day. Okay, I just had to take the picture. Sorry. It is again what it is. Because pretty soon this will all be snow.
Well, let's hit gone with the leaves first before we hit snow.
Not necessarily.
Yeah, that's true.
But look at that. Wow. That's nice, idea. Okay, we'll probably...
Oh.
Did I just hit bottom?
Yes, you did.
Wow. I guess I can't ride on the crown. We're in East Brady. This is the Allegheny River. Beautiful. And it's 75. Well, I stopped, so I don't know how accurate that is.
Probably 72.
Yeah, but in the 70s already.
Cloudy. That's
Yeah.
okay, though.
Makes it nice for riding because you bundle up anyways.
As long as it doesn't rain, we're okay.
Oh, I didn't look at that part of the forecast.
Oh, great. There's always a surprise with you, hon.
Where are we going next? I don't know. We're just riding. We're on 68, so wherever it brings us, it's going to bring us. We've been on parts of this road. But yeah, like right up here we turn on Queens Town Road.
We'll just go straight.
Yeah, we're gonna go straight this time. We don't know where we're going, so keep watching. We're on Conyngham Pike.
268.
Ooh.
268.
You got that?
Yeah, 268.
All right. We're going to start working our way back home. We went into East Brady, followed 68 for a while. Now we're going to head our way back. Trying to get some video. Yep. Stay tuned. We'll try to get some more for you. That looks pretty cool. And of course, road work. Road work ahead. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Wow. That brightened up the...
Yeah. Pretty bright.
Yep. And there was a good song on the radio, but I stopped it for this, to bring it to you guys. The colors are...
vibrant.
Woo! Okie dokie! Talk about beauties! Look at them! Wow! We didn't think it would get any better. It
Got better.
Some more. Sorry.
Not.
Oh my.
We'll put it this way, we won't get too many more days like this to do
Yes.
what we do. So enjoy what we do. Time we do it.
Pretty soon it'll be time to put blue away.
Boo.
Boo!
And break out red and go, what? Snow something? Snow ride.
Yep, yep. Hey, we're not the only nuts out. There's another motorcycle. It's about the fourth or fifth one. Because it is 71 degrees on the 25th of October.
I think it's the 24th.
Guess it was 24th. Guess it was Hannah's birthday.
Oh.
Alrighty. Okay, Rita has good eyes. She's seen a road called Rolling Hills Road. So we're giving it a shot and see what happens. See how many rolling hills it is. See if it compares to a roller coaster road.
Oh, hell no.
But it's pretty. Yep. All right. If we see anything catches our eye besides that beautiful view, we'll turn the camera back on. But it does have some nice little hills.
And it turns to dirt.
Oh no.
But look at that. I wonder why they call it Rolling Hill.
Ooh. We'll go slow down this, but I think it turns better on that road. That goes up there. Poor Blue, getting dusty again.
Well, he hasn't had his last bath of this season, so.
Yeah, that's going to be when ice cubes coming out of the hose. We're going to try to milk this riding season as long as we can. Look at this. This is Rolling Hills Road.
Wow.
Okay, yeah, we passed the house. It was underground.
Yeah.
And like Rita said, oh, honey, I gotta go mow the roof. Okay, hopefully we're coming on a better road. We're committed. We're going down another. It's all right.
Just breathtaking.
Yes. It'll all get better. But that is. Look at that.
That's why we call it adventures.
Mmm.
We keep saying it, but this is what it's all about. No, we don't have a 4x4 or ATV, but
Thank you, Blue.
I was gonna say, hasn't stopped him yet.
Wow. Okay. Here's the village of Conyngham. Wow. All I got to say. Look at that. Well, we're gonna go get gas, so we'll be taking a right over here. Beautiful. Nice. There'll probably be only one more, and that's when we're pulling into our yard. Oh, we had a beautiful ride, a beautiful day, beautiful company.
Thanks, babe.
Let's turn around. I'll try. Whoop, whoop, whoop. There we go. How's that? Can we see now? There, we're way up in the sky. Okay, we had a good day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave a comment, give us a thumbs up if you liked it. We enjoy doing this and hope we can do a few more before we have to put Blue away for the winter. Keep smiling. Home.
Sweet home.
Very good, dear.
I'm catching on.
I lost my job. And there's our sick maple tree.
Oh,
Poor maple.
it's okay.
But we took, I don't know how many loads of leaves off the lawn yesterday.
Yeah.
Hey, Mr. D.
Hey, Tick.
Okay, thanks for coming along with us, and I hope you enjoyed it.
With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love